Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, mode, which is one of the measures of central tendency from the subject business statistics and relationship among mean, median and mode. As stated in previous videos of measures of central tendency that there are two types of averages, mathematical averages and positional averages. In this video, we are going to discuss all about mode, one of the positional averages. The word mode is derived from the French word la mode, means in fashion. Mode is the value of variable which occurs most frequently in the distribution. For example, in the series 3, 5, 2, 7, 5, 7, 3, 7 and 2, the mode is 7 because in this series 7 is appearing 3 times, which is the most frequent number of the series. Now, we will learn about computation of mode with the help of some examples. If there is individual series or discrete series or continuous series. If you want to learn about individual, discrete and continuous series in detail, watch the video in which median is described. Link is provided in the description box of this video. Let's start. How to calculate mode if individual series is given. Here we have an example in which marks scored by 10 students are given and we need to compute mode from this series. Marks scored are 20, 54, 48, 24, 54, 54, 40, 36, 30 and 60. Here you can see that among all these numbers, a number 54 is appearing 3 times. Let's learn how to solve this question. For solving this question, we will write marks obtained by students in first column. You should remember that a number should be appeared only one time despite of its frequency. Now, in next column, frequency should be written. We saw in previous slide that number 54 was appearing 3 times. Means 3 students scored 54 marks. So, the mode is 54. For understanding mode, in discrete series, we are taking an example in which sizes of shoes and their frequencies are given. We can clearly see here that maximum frequency is 3 and term value of this maximum frequency is 6. So, the mode is 6. In continuous frequency distribution, we can calculate the mode with the help of following formula. The formula is mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole multiplied by I. Here L is lower limit of the model class, F1 is frequency of the model class, F0 is frequency of the class just preceding to the model class, F2 frequency of class just following the model class and I is class interval. We are going to take an example in which class intervals and their frequencies are given. Here 72 is the highest frequency which exists in group 21 to 28. Therefore, 21 to 28 is the model class. Now, L is 21, F1 is 72, F0 is 36, F2 is 51 and I is difference of class intervals like 7 minus 0 is 7. On substituting these values in the formula and after step-by-step calculations, we will get mode equals to 25.103. There is a relationship between mean, median and mode. When mean equals to median equals to mode, there is a symmetrical distribution. And when the values of mean, median and mode are not equal, the distribution is asymmetrical or skewed. Karl Pearson has expressed this relationship as mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. Let's understand this with an example in which mode is 30 and mean is 35 is given and we need to find median. For solving this example, we will substitute the value of mode and mean, and after all calculations and transposing the required values, we will get median equals to 33.33. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. Stay connected. Prepare well for examination. All the best.